Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making our family favorite chocolate chip cookies. These cookies do not last at all in our home. We eat them so fast, and I'm also making some extra cookies because I want to gift them. I picked up these boxes from Amazon. They're really cheap and I love wrapping them in ribbon, and I'm going to put a thank you card and like wrap it up really beautiful. I'll show you in the end. I'm going to gift our friends some cookies. They made us a lovely meal while we were in the first few weeks of being home from hospital with baby, and it really helped us out. So just to show gratitude, I thought I'll bake them our family favorite cookies. I will leave the recipe down below for you guys because it is super simple, super easy, fail proof. You will love them. I'm also going to be making some eggs. I did this last week for the boys. I basically mixed up some eggs, milk, salt, pepper, some spinach, and I baked it in the oven in a tray. Then I cut them up and layered them in the English breakfast muffins. So I'm going to do that all over again today because the boys loved it so much. So I'm going to do another one so we have a success. And it is a good healthier option for breakfast compared to just eating cereal all the time. Anyway, let's get into this prepping and baking, and let's get into baking. And if you do try this recipe, please let me know below. It is our family favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe, and every time I make it for anybody, I'm always giving out the recipe. So hope you like it. And this is what your dough should look like. My tray egg bake is done and my cookies are done. I'm gonna box these up and I'm gonna make the English breakfast muffins for the boys and pop it in the fridge. Done. And baby is awake. He is chilling on the table. Not happy that I put him down.